Hi everyone. This video will introduce how to start your BlackBelt training in the dCloud environment. This video will focus on the Cisco SD-WAN related BlackBelt training. And I'm assuming that you already have the dCloud account. And today's agenda will be first of all, we will tell you how to reserve the dCloud resources in the dCloud lab. And then we will connect to the dCloud network by using the AnyConnect. And after that, we will log in the drum host by using the remote desktop. And we will also tell you how to log in the vManager after you get into the drum host. And the first thing we have to do is log into using a browser to type the dcloud.cisco.com. And after that, you can log into the dCloud and you can choose the location, the data center, which is close to your area. For me, I will choose the APJ. And after that, you can go to the catalog, and you can select the solution SD-WAN here. And then there is a lot of SD-WAN training here, but today we are focusing on the BlackBelt training, the Cisco SD-WAN BlackBelt training. And then you can click the schedule and single session. And for you, you can reserve the time slot that you would like to start and end with. And you can choose the day, choose the end day and time as well. And after that, you just click next. For me, I already reserved the training, so I don't demonstrate this step for you. But for you, you just need to click next, and then after that, it will start your resources. But you have to wait around 3 to 5 minutes for spring up the virtual resources. Okay, I just click cancel for this one because I have already reserved my training here. And then after you got the training ready, you will see the button become view here. If that is still running, it will say this is reserving the resources. Do not have this kind of button here, and you can click the button here. And also, I I I I have already reserved the dCloud resources for today. If you think the time is not enough to finish, and you can extend the lab by using the edit button, and you can extend, for example, 2 or 3 days. But it only work when your lab is only 1 hour left here. That means when you nearly go through the lab until the last hour and you think you are not enough time to do so, you can edit here and and extend the time by using the edit button here. Yeah. And after that, um, you can find some more information about this lab here. For example, you can click the detail, and you can see um, how do you use the AnyConnect to connect to the dCloud network. And I assuming that you are already installed the AnyConnect agents. If you do not install any Cisco AnyConnect agents, you please download it and install this. And after that, you all right. Yeah, after you install the AnyConnect, you can use the information here. What I've done just now, just click the detail and get the host. Uh, that means the AnyConnect host address here, and just place here, and the username, password. Okay, and we just click OK. Then it said you are already connected to the dCloud network in Singapore platform, and accept it and finish it. Finish this step. Now your network are already connected to the dCloud. What we're going to do is to remote desktop to the jump host. Remote desktop to the jump host. Actually, at every step detail you can find it. You can find the sorry, just a second. Okay. Yep. Yep. You can just click the resources and wait for a while, and it will jump out all the document you need for this net, and you have to download this one. You must need to download this one. The Cisco BlackBelt training lab guide. If you are Japanese, you can use the Japanese version. Most of us is using the English version. Before you connect to the net, uh, before you connect to the cloud network, uh, we recommend you go to the resources, and then download the lab guide here. This is a English version. This is a Japanese version, and you download the lab guide here and wait for a while. And you can open up the lab guide and see is there any wrong. The version is 20.6.2, and for the first thing it tells us is you can use a browser or any connect to connect to your net, but I highly recommend you use the any connect to connect to the virtual to the drum host, because you are much more easy to copy the word on the document to your lab. For example, sometime we have to name the device, you can just copy and paste to the remote desktop. And if you use the browser, you cannot do these kind of things. So I highly recommend you use the AnyConnect. And I'm assuming that you already download the AnyConnect here. And if you are not, then you can download it from somewhere from the Cisco web. Um, and then uh, you will got where you got the AnyConnect information, actually you can go back to the dCloud, and then you click the detail, and you find the any connect information here. We just copy this one, copy this one, and then the password. And I'll set. For me, my session is connecting to the Singapore port. So and after that, if you are successfully connect to the cloud network, then you will get get the icon like this, and the information is set that is active. And after that, you can do a remote desktop. The remote desktop is a jump host that allow you to log into the vManager and the POC tools environment. And the IP of the jump hole is this one. Username here, password here. Okay, let me just do it. And the username, yeah, here. We just click the connect. The password should be big C1 SCO1234 5, like this, and not in. Okay. After you log in, supposing you only see the desktop, and then you click the browser, and here have two icons. One is the POC tools, one is the vManager. And go back to the lab guide. It told us that for the first thing, if you want to go to the vManage, you just click this button and don't click the other button, otherwise your dCloud environment will crash. And you can go to the POC tools here, and the login is username is dCloud@cisco.com. Password is the same, big letter C1 SCO1234 5. And the password had already shown here. Okay, you can see that this is a POC tools. This is a POC tools. This button we supposing you don't click. You don't click on this. The deploy, you don't click on this. Otherwise, the system would be crash. No matter what happen, you face. Please don't click this kind of control button. And what we have to do, for example, we can see the control plane here. You have two vSmart, one vSpawn, one vManager. How do we reach the vManager? Just click this button, this one. Just click this button, or you can new click the new tab, and then here we also bookmark the vManager for you, vManage login for you, and then you just click here, and the username is admin, sorry, bbadmin, again bbadmin, and the password the same, the big C1 SCO1234 5. Okay. After you log in, you can see that the 10 control connection is up, and you got two vSmart edge device, one reborn, one vManager. Um, yeah, this is a very simple control control dashboard, and you can see that the SD-WAN fabric is healthy, and you can see the wireless routing information here. And most likely we will like to use this one, the menu button. We mainly choose the function here. Okay. Um, I think most of you had already go inside the is able to go inside the vManage. If you are not able to go inside the vManage, something you can do. For example, you can reboot the vManage sometime because the system already hold here for a long time, and there is some problem. Then sometime we will go to here the console. You log in again. The ppadmin password is C1 and CO123455, and you can do the reload here. Reload. We put here. If you do not have any problem, I don't recommend you to do this kind of action. But if you find that there is a 400 unreachable for a long time, then you can try to do the reboot here, and after that you can get the login. And sometime because the system is loading, it will show up this page. What you have to do is just have to wait for 2 or 5 more minutes, then the system will come up because the back end system is still one end lowering the information. And if you cannot see this page and you just open up and it always say that you cannot reach the vManage, then you can try to do a reboot here. And what else we have to do in the console? For example, in the lab, they will tell you go to the edge device and type in some command. Normally, we will do is right click and click the console here and do the login, do the ping, do the chat up here, and every site you can do the same in the edge like this. And what else you have to do in the lab? Sometimes you have to log into the uh, PC in that location. There is a Windows PC and a Linux PC here for trying some, for example, the security feature. You may log in this kind of PC here. The other things, for example, the POC tools dashboard, the control plane here, please do not click on that. Otherwise, your web lab would be crashed. Okay, I think this video should be stopped here. And if you get any questions, please reach out our our Cisco technical staff. I think most of the SD-WAN TSA will be able to answer your questions, or you can comment or leave any message below, and if I can see that, I will try my best to answer you. Okay, thank you so much.